Hey guys, it's Kelsey and welcome back to another Plan With Me. This week we are planning for the week of February 12th to 18th. I will give you a quick look at last week's, which didn't do much because I was pretty much sick all week, so didn't really fill anything out and kind of fell off the bandwagon because I was not feeling well, so. But I might go back and fill it in, I don't know. But this week I'm going to be using this Paris Love kit from JennaBeeStudios. I picked this up during the PBC winter sale, which there will be a haul coming. I'm just waiting for everything else to arrive and then I will edit that and get that up for you. But we are going to use this kit, which is so pretty, and even though I don't know, Valentine's Day, like, I don't know how I feel about it, but, and this is very feminine, but we'll do it, so let's get started. I think I'm just going to write in the days because the stickers that I have are circles and I'll just write it in. I don't know, Valentine's Day, like, sometimes I'm like, yeah, it'd be nice to do something, but at the other times I'm like, well, it's kind of just like corporate excuse to spend money, so. But I don't think we're gonna do anything. I think last year we went out for dinner, but it was like, I don't think it was actually on Valentine's Day. What do you guys think about Valentine's Day? Okay. What's the, I can tell you about the best Valentine's Day I've had. I don't even remember what year it was, but Ethan, my fiance, we were long distance and he was away at university and I had taken a year off. I'd finished one school program and was working full-time before going back, and so I was working and he coordinated with my mom and surprised me at work. And I remember walking outside from work and he was just like standing there. I can't remember, he might have had flowers or something, or chocolate, I don't remember. And I think I like yelled, "Shut up," and was very surprised, but that was the best surprise I've gotten on Valentine's Day. Like, maybe we didn't go out last year, maybe it was the year before. I don't know. When we've been together for over 6 years, it just kind of all blends together. Can't really remember what happened what year. But last year he made me dinner, yes. And like that was fine with me. Now I'm trying to, like, when did we go out for dinner? Because I remember we went out for sushi. And I think the year before that he tried to make me dinner and we had chocolate fondue, and we were all excited. And then because we live with my parents, my family joined in. But it was the thought that counts. I don't know, and we're going away for his birthday, which is like 10 days after Valentine's Day, so I don't really think we need to go out for dinner, you know? Okay, we have washi. Okay, the washi does not cover up all of the lines. I don't know. I have a bag of washi, so maybe I'll add to it or something. I don't know. Okay. So we don't really have any like patterned washi, so we're gonna use today for full boxes. That's okay. I don't know if you guys could tell in last week's plan with me that I wasn't feeling well, but I kind of started on Saturday, kind of feeling at the back of my throat, and then it just got worse. I might put this one here. I'm like thinking of last week on The Bachelor. They were in France, in Paris. That's cute. Okay, then we'll do odds and ends for little things. I guess, what do we have? Have you guys been watching the Olympics? I have. We had it on yesterday for hours. I don't know, I'm always like, oh, I'm not gonna get that into it, and then I end up getting really into it. What did we watch yesterday? Curling. And then we watched some snowboarding thing, but Canada won 2 medals, so I saw that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start with TV shows. Monday is The Bachelor, and Wednesday is the 911 or 911, whatever it's called, and American Crime Story, which I need to catch up on because I was in bed. And then that's probably it. On what day? So I'll do a full box here for my blog post and a full or a half box here for Plan With Me. Tuesday, don't really have anything. Thursday, we might be going to see Black Panther, so I'll put that there. And then I also have Grey's Anatomy and Will and Grace. Sorry if you can hear people like yelling. Okay, and then Friday, my maid of honor is coming over and we're having like a Valentines day. We'll just hang out. And then Saturday, we are helping my cousin and her husband move, and Sunday, I think we are going to have coffee with our wedding photographer just to like catch her up with everything we've done, because we haven't seen her since September when we had our engagement pictures taken. And yeah, just kind of catch up with her. So I'm gonna we have a coffee cup, and then I'm also going to, I think, Skype with my aunt, who's actually going to be the MC at the wedding. She lives in Calgary, so we usually Skype every we try to Skype at least once a month, but things get busy. And let's see what else. Laundry. And then I really want to get back into working out this week because I did not. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna put one of these pearls, and I'm going to, I guess I'll do a half box because there's pretty much a half box on every day. And it's going to be for editing. And now let's work on the sidebar. And like to do or something like that. I will do this. And I'm gonna do let's see. And then I'll do next week. And this should take me to bottom of the page. Perfect. So there's like a tiny bit of white space at the bottom. I'm debating if I like that there. I'm gonna see if I have washi at the bottom, but for the bottom I should say. I might do that even though I know that's covering up stuff, but that's okay. But let me show you guys what I have left. There's still quite a bit. I could probably get another white space week out of this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.